Hi, friends. I'm Dr. Dale Warren, or as some like to call me, Papa Dale. This is a teaching from the Onhus Institute in Biblical Studies, USA, and the year is 2025. The topic for today is General Revelation. This is a lecture for the Bachelor of Theology degree, the ThB, from JHI-USA. So, let's go. Now, to preface this lecture, I will say that there are a lot of ideas that interrelate and intersect in between and among the topics that we're about to discuss, the 11 topics of bibliology in systematic theology. So keep that in mind. A lot of similar scripture usages and so forth. But the basic content is, in this case, about general revelation. So general revelation, THB lecture, JHI-USA, definition. General revelation refers to the ways in which God discloses himself to all humanity through nature and the created world. It encompasses everything that reflects God's character and divine attributes, including the beauty and complexity of the universe, the moral order of society, and the inherent sense of right and wrong within individuals. Psalm 19, Romans 1. General revelation is accessible to everyone, allowing people to recognize God's existence and power without the need for anything else, without the need for the special revelation of Scripture. As outlined in Romans 1:20, the creation, the world around us, demonstrates God's invisible qualities, prompting a response of awe and accountability in those who observe it. Knowing about God through general revelation is limited because it does not intend to reveal the salvific. It only communicates general knowledge about God and his character and seeks to make man sufficiently curious to move him to look for further revelation. Evangelicals believe that special revelation, specifically through the Bible and the person of Jesus Christ, is necessary for a complete understanding of God's will and salvation. General and specific revelation. In evangelical theology, general and special revelation serve complementary roles in understanding God and his purposes. In natural revelation, we look macroscopically at the vastness and fine-tuning of the universe, and microscopically at the intricate detail and irreducible complexity. And we recognize that God is all-powerful and wise. He is the greatest of all designers, engineers, planners, and multitaskers. He's astonishing. General revelation involves the knowledge of God available to all people through nature, history, and conscience. This revelation shows God's attributes, his power, his divine nature, prompting humanity to seek him. However, it is limited in its ability to convey the fullness of God's redemptive plan. In the revelation of conscience, we can also look inward to our innate sense of right and wrong and know there is a moral lawgiver in the universe, because there's a moral law that exists within us. Or we can do what man has done throughout history, suppress the truth, ignore it, push it down, push it away, push it back, because we want to do what we want to do, and continue life in unrighteousness. Romans 1:18. Special revelation, on the other hand, refers to the specific ways God has disclosed himself through the Scriptures and the person of Jesus Christ. Special revelation provides clarity and deeper insight into God's character, salvation, and moral directives. While general revelation leads to a general awareness of God, it is special revelation that reveals the means of redemption and a personal relationship with Him. Evangelicals affirm that both forms of revelation work together. General revelation creates a sense of divine awareness, while special revelation offers the specific truths necessary for faith and salvation. God's existence and attributes. Creation plays a vital role in understanding God's existence and attributes. The natural world serves as a testament to the Creator's power, wisdom, and artistry. Scriptures like Romans 1:20 emphasize that God's invisible qualities, including His eternal power and divine nature, are made evident through what has been created. This implies that observing the intricacies of the universe, from the complexity of life to the vastness of the cosmos, this offers insight into God's character. Creation invites believers to explore the attributes of God. His creativity is reflected in the diverse ecosystems, while His orderliness is seen in the laws governing nature. Furthermore, the beauty and harmony present in creation evoke a sense of awe and worship, drawing individuals closer to understanding God's nature. Ultimately, engaging with creation not only affirms God's existence, but it also encourages deeper relationships with Him, as believers recognize Him as the source of all truth and beauty. In spite of all of the wonderful information disclosed in natural revelation, it is incomplete, if it is not salvific. The Bible notes that the fall of man was the cause for much distress in the natural world because of the subsequent curse of God on it, Genesis 3:17. Like a grand wedding cake, perfectly made and beautiful, but the baker used salt instead of sugar. Yuck. Why natural creation is insufficient. While natural creation reveals aspects of God's existence and attributes, it is insufficient for a complete comprehension of His nature. From an evangelical viewpoint, the beauty and complexity of the universe may suggest a creator, but they cannot fully convey God's character, intentions, or redemptive plan. Romans 3:11 highlights that human understanding of God is inherently limited. Creation alone cannot reveal the depths of His love, grace, and mercy. Additionally, the fallen state of the world, marked by sin and suffering, often obscures the perfect nature of God. While creation provides a glimpse of Him, it can lead to misunderstanding without the revelation found in Scripture. The knowledge discerned from nature is distorted. First, because by sin, man's ability to comprehend the creation of God is negatively affected, 1 Corinthians 2:14. Second, because of the fundamental change in the natural world itself, the effects of human sin on the creation makes it difficult and uncooperative. Genesis 3:17. For Christians, the Bible serves as an essential divine communication, providing a fuller understanding of God's nature and His plan for humanity through Jesus Christ. Thus, while nature prompts questions about God's existence, it is through His Word that a comprehensive understanding of Him is attained. Implications of general revelation. General revelation has significant implications for theology and ethics in an evangelical context. It suggests that all people, regardless of their background, can perceive aspects of God's nature and moral character through the world around them. Pardon me. The beauty, order, and moral law evident in creation point to a Creator who is both powerful and inherently good, laying a foundation for understanding His divine attributes. Pardon me. Theologically, general revelation affirms that humanity is accountable to God, as seen in Romans 1:19 through 20, where it states that people are without excuse for not recognizing Him. Ethically, it means that moral truths are accessible to everyone, allowing for a shared understanding of right and wrong based on inherent truths rooted in creation. This forms a basis for moral discussion and societal standards, encouraging believers to engage with others on common ground. Ultimately, general revelation invites deeper exploration of God's specific revelation through Scripture and Christ. Human reason and experience. Human experience and reason play crucial roles in recognizing God's existence through natural revelation. Nature itself, with its intricate design and order, prompts individuals to reflect on the possibility of a Creator. The beauty of a sunset, the complexity of a biological system, or the vastness of the cosmos can evoke a sense of awe, leading to questions about the origin and purpose of life. Human reason and intellect further enable people to interpret these experiences, allowing them to draw conclusions about God's existence. Philosophical arguments, such as the cosmological and the teleological arguments, utilize logic and observation of the natural world to support the belief in a Creator. Moreover, personal experiences, such as feelings of moral obligation, justice, and love, often point to a divine source. Thus, both human experience and reason serve as vital tools in discerning the reality of God, paving the way for deeper faith and understanding through special revelation in the Scripture. The limitations of general revelation. General revelation, which encompasses knowledge of God through creation and nature only, has distinct limitations when it comes to revealing redemptive truths and fully recognizing God's existence. While it showcases God's power and attributes such as creativity and order, it falls short of communicating the specifics of salvation and the person of Jesus Christ. Natural revelation can lead individuals to acknowledge a Creator, yet it does not provide clarity about humanity's sinfulness or the need for redemption. Without the guidance of Scripture, individuals may understand moral truths and struggle with the implications of sin. Natural revelation alone is simply not sufficient for understanding how to accurately know God or how to interact with a being that is infinitely holy. But it provides enough knowledge about God for us to be stimulated to seek for Him if we are a humble-hearted and sincere seeker. Moreover, personal and cultural experiences can skew interpretations of what is observed in nature. Consequently, while general revelation serves as a starting point for recognizing God, it necessitates the complement of special revelation, such as the Bible, where the ultimate truths of redemption and God's intimate nature are revealed. And this interplay underscores the importance of both forms of revelation in evangelical faith. In conclusion, general revelation plays a crucial role in establishing an awareness of God's existence and attributes through creation. Yet, it is insufficient for comprehending the full scope of redemptive truth. Evangelicals affirm that while general revelation prompts individuals to seek God, it is only through special revelation, particularly the Scriptures, that one gains a clear understanding of salvation and God's character. Therefore, a balanced theological perspective acknowledges the value of both general and special revelation, highlighting the necessity of Scripture in fully grasping the depths of God's grace and redemptive plan for humanity. The implications for all of this are profound. It means humans are held accountable for suppressing God's truth in unrighteousness by smothering the impulse of our heart, which is the revelation of conscience, towards God when we ignore or reject His natural revelation. The consequences for doing that are severe. Romans chapter 1 and chapter 2. And so that concludes our lecture on general revelation for the Bachelor of Theology program. I've been your host, Dr. Dale Warren, also known as AKA Papa Dale. And I'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep in mind that I'll be praying for you, that you will be well, and that you'll be blessed.